Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to protect grapes from ants, insects, squirrel, birds and other animals. So for protecting I use a plastic, you know, I reuse this plastic. I used to bring milk in this plastic and by cleaning that plastic, making some holes in this plastic, I tied it in grapes like this to protect grapes, you know. But you should keep proper care because this is not proper solution, as you have to take care. Look in this bunch, I made hole, but there is accumulation of water, you know, due to which these grapes are damaged, which is due to accumulation of water for a long time. No, these scraps are damaged, so you have to take proper care. So the holes in the plastic should be made properly so that all the water can come out from plastic, as it is rainy season and there is the water uh, get inside plastic, so you have to remove that. I hope you like this video. I think my English is poor, but I am trying my best so that you can understand. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.